How to update all drivers on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can update all drivers on Windows 11, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to update all of the drivers on Windows 11, it's actually quite simple and there are many ways to do this. The first way we can do it is by simply opening up settings. After you open settings, just go to Windows Update, click on check for updates, and even if there is a tiny bit of update available, make sure to update it, because whenever you update it, your Windows will automatically install all of the necessary drivers that is required for the proper functioning of your Windows computer. If this doesn't help, if you're having issues with speaker, you can try to update your speaker drivers and so on. Now for this, you can simply open up your device manager, select the driver that you're having issues with. Then after that, just right click on it, click on update drivers, select search automatically for drivers, and this should help you install the latest drivers for each of these different type of processing. After this, it depends upon which computer you use. Now in my case, I'm using a HP laptop with Intel processor, and in order to actually update all of my drivers for HP actually gives you an application called HP Support Assistant. Now you might actually have to download the Support Assistant from internet. If you're using Dell or any of the other laptop, you might have the Dell Assistant, which is actually very useful. So you can open that app here. Once you open that app, you can click as continue as guest, and over here you can go to this option here if you're using HP, and then you can simply go to this option known as softwares and drivers. It will check if there are any sort of drivers and updates available for your Windows computer, and it will update them to the latest version. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.